Hello everyone. Let's start with exercise 2.1 of chapter Polynomials. Learning objectives. Learning objectives of today's video are: students will be able to identify polynomial in one variable and categorize polynomial on the basis of the degree and terms. Let's do question number 1 of exercise 2.1. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. We have to state whether the expressions are polynomial or not, and secondly we have to tell the reason. If it is yes, why; if it is no, why not, and we have to find out the variable as well. First part is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now how do we find whether the given expression is a polynomial? We just have to see the exponent on the variable. Here the exponent on the variable is 2, a whole number. Exponent on the variable is 1, a whole number. And the variable here is 1 only. So its answer will be yes. Yes, it is a polynomial in one variable because exponent on the variable in each term is a whole number. Let's do next part, and the variable used here is x because they have asked which variable they have used. Now the second part, y square plus root 2. Y square plus root 2, again if you see y square plus root 2, exponent on the variable is 2, a whole number, so therefore it is yes, and the variable here used is y. Now see the third part. This is 3 root t plus t root 2. This is the radical form. So first we will change this into exponential form, right? So this can be written as 3t power 1 by 2 plus t root 2. Now see the exponent on the variable. This is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial in a one variable. Right? No, it is not a polynomial because exponent on the variable in each term is not a whole number. Now the next part, y plus 2 upon y. Now let's change this into exponential form. Since denominator here is in the denominator, so we can write it like this. Now see the exponent on the variable. Here it is 1 and here it is minus 1, which is not a whole number. So any guess, will it be a polynomial? Yes, it is not. No, it is not a polynomial because exponent on the variable in each term is not a whole number. Last part, x power 10 plus y power 3 plus t power 50. Now if we see the exponent on each term, yes, these are whole numbers. So yes, it's a polynomial, but this is not a polynomial in one variable as they have used three variables, x, y and t. No, it is not a polynomial in one variable as there are three variables x, y and t. Now let's move to question number. Question number second is write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. Right. So polynomial is given and we have to we will first see which of these have term with x square, then we will write the coefficient of x square, right? So this is the first part, second part, third and the fourth part. Now see in first part which term is with x square. So this is the term with x square. Now this is the term we have written. What is its coefficient? Nothing is written, it means it is 1. So coefficient of x square is 1. Now the next part, here this is the term with x square, right? Now what is the coefficient? Coefficient of x square is negative 1. Let's do next part. This is pi by 2 x square plus x. This is the term with x square, right? Now what is its coefficient? Its coefficient is pi by 2. The last part. Do we see any term with x square? No, there is not. So no term with x square, so obviously coefficient will be 0. Question number third. Give one example each of binomial of degree 35. They are asking binomial. Binomial means it has two terms, right? And degree 35 means the highest power on the variable should be 35. And one more example we have to give, a monomial, that is single term of degree 100. Now there are infinite examples you can write. I'll be writing one or two, and I'll suggest you should write yourself. You should not copy from the answer which I'll be giving. You can write on your own, right? So let's write binomial of degree 35. Binomial, so I have to write two terms. So suppose I write 2x plus 7, right? I have written two terms. Binomial is done. Now degree 35. Degree 35, that is highest power on the variable, right? So I can write 2x power 35, right? Binomial, and the degree is 35. Now let's consider another example. We can write 4x raised to the power 35 minus 3x raised to the power 32. Now see, there are two terms, so it's a binomial, and exponent here is 35 and here it is 32. Highest is 35, so this is a binomial of degree 35. So you can write as many as you want. Now let's write monomial of degree 100. Now monomial of degree 100, that is single term. Let's write x only, and degree 100, so let's write 100 as exponent. You can, if you want, you can write 3x power 100. You can write minus 7x raised to the power 100, right? All these are monomials. They have single term, right? And the degree is 100. Question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. So again, what is the degree? Degree is the highest. We have to see the exponent on the variable. The highest exponent on the variable is the degree, right? So here the exponent is 3, here the exponent is 2, here exponent is 1. So which is the highest exponent? It is 3. So highest power on the variable, here it is 3. So it is of degree 3. Now next is 4 minus y square. Variable here it is y, and the highest exponent is 2. 5t minus 7. There is no variable, so here the exponent is 1. So its degree is also 1. 3. Remember, 3 is a constant polynomial. And any guess what is the degree of the constant polynomial? It is 0. If you want, you can watch the previous video, the introduction of the polynomial, to know what is the degree of the constant polynomial. Let's move to next question. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial, right? Linear means degree 1. Linear means degree 1. Quadratic, degree 2. And cubic means degree 3. So what is the it has here the exponent is 2, here exponent is 1. So it means its degree is 2, and degree 2 means it is quadratic. This is quadratic polynomial. X minus x cube. Exponent here it is 1 and here it is 3. So highest exponent is 3. So highest power on the variable is 3. So here this is cubic polynomial. Now here exponent on the variable is 1, here it is 2, and this is the constant term. So highest power on the variable is 2. So this is quadratic. This is quadratic polynomial. 1 plus x. Exponent on the variable is 1. So highest power of the variable here it is 1. So this is linear polynomial. 3t. Again here the exponent is 1. So highest power on the variable is 1. So this is linear polynomial. r square, highest power 2, so this is quadratic because its degree is 2. This is quadratic polynomial. 7x cube, degree here it is 3, so this is cubic polynomial. Thanks for watching everyone.